Hey everybody. If you're trying to figure out how to do lines and intersections, the idea is that you use lines as the numbers and the intersections is the product when you're multiplying those numbers. For instance, if you're trying to multiply 12 times 34, you need one line for the 1 and 2 lines for the 2. Ideally, you separate them so you understand that 1 is in one place value and 2 is in the other. And then perpendicular to that, you would need 3 lines for the 3 and 4 lines for the 4. It does not matter if I draw the 1 vertically or horizontally. I'm going to draw the 2 in the same way because that is representing the number 12. And then 34, I would draw 3 lines for the 3. And then I would draw a space. And I would draw 4 lines for the 4. And that represents the number 34. Now, everywhere these two lines cross, or the vertical and the horizontal lines cross, you would create a dot so that you can then count those to determine the number of intersections. So for instance, if you were looking at the 1 and the 3, well, 1 times 3 is 3, and you have 1, 2, 3 intersections. 2 and 3 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 intersections, and 2 times 3 is 6. 1 and 4 has 1, 2, 3, 4 intersections because 1 times 4 is 4. And 2 times 4 has 8 intersections because 2 times 4 is 8. And then you need to add up any numbers that are in the same diagonal to get your actual place value. So we have just 8 alone, and then 6 and 4 is 10, and then we have 3. But 10 can actually not be in one place value. You can only have a single digit. So remember, this is base value 10. So you have one group of 10, which means you need to carry the 1 and you drop down the remainder. So my actual product is 4, 0, 8. So first, draw a line to represent each number. However many, whatever the value is, say if you have 5, you would need 5 lines. If you have 2, you would need 2 lines. If you have 0, you don't need a line, but I like to use a dashed line to represent to know that you have 0 as a value. And then wherever the intersection occurs, you count each intersection to represent the number for the